This song is dedicated to my titas, titos, lolas, lolos, daddy, and my only one mommy. Hotel California by Eagles. On the dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, one smell of kaleidoscope rising up to the air. Up ahead there's a distance, I saw shimmering light. My head grew very excited dim, and I had to stop for the night. Then she stood the doorway, I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. The candle, and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her name is Tiffany Twisted. She got the Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys she called friends. But they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. We have done that experience in 1969. Still those voices are calling from far away. Waking up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling. Pink champagne all night. We're all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master's chambers, they gather for the feast. They start it with their stealing knives, but they just can't kill the beast. The last thing I remember was running for the door. I had to find my passage back to the place I walked for. Relax to the nightman with your program to receive. You can check out anything you like, but you can't never leave.